Exploring Pharmaceutical Industry in India, Part 3. The fundamental part of medicine with the appropriate therapeutic pharmaceutical qualities are APIs or bulk drugs. API stands for active pharmaceutical ingredient and is also known as bulk drugs. APIs are pharmaceutically active bulk compounds that produce a desired pharmacological effect for treatment of various diseases. They are physiologically active component of a drug product in tablets, pills, creams, and injections, which delivers the desired effects and treat diseases. APIs are used as medications that treat cancer, cardiology, neurology, orthopedics, pulmonology, gastrointestinal, nephrology, ophthalmology, and endocrine illnesses, etc. Hello and welcome to Jigs Chemical Limited. I am Vinita, and in this video we are going to discuss about API or bulk drugs and their main types as per their innovation. There are two types of bulk drugs. 1. Innovator drug. 2. Generic drug. Number 1. Innovator drug. An innovative medication is the first time developed and approved for use that has a specific active component or API. It's usually the product whose efficacy, safety, and quality have all been proven by different clinical and lab trials. When a novel drug or innovator drug is originally developed by a company, the patent is usually purchased by that firm who created and developed that. The majority of drug patents are valid for up to 20 years. Until the patent expires, other companies are unable to manufacture or sell the identical medicine. Drugs are created from very basic molecules, which necessitates a lengthy process to develop final drug until the filing of a patent for that developed drug, which results in exorbitant drug pricing during the patent period because there is no competition for them for that drug and treatment. And when a drug's patent expires, its prices falls by 70% of its original price. As the brand of this innovator drug grows, the innovator of this drug receives the 180-day exclusivity to sell, and they usually capture 60% of the market share during this small period. Number 2. Generic drug. A generic drug contains the same active pharmaceutical ingredient as its brand name counterpart or the innovator brand. In other words, a generic drug's physiological action is identical to that of its originator innovator drug. When a patent expires, generic drugs can be developed by other businesses. A generic drug is a pharmaceutical that is designed to be identical to a brand name drug in terms of dose, form, strength, mode of administration, quality, performance characteristics, and intended use. These similarity of generic drug with innovator drug showing similar bioequivalence, which means that a generic medicine functions in the same way as its brand name counterpart and gives the same therapeutic advantages. In other words, it can be used as a substitute for the branded drug. Metformin is an example of a generic medicine that is used to treat diabetes. Glucophage is a brand name for metformin. According to Indians, the phrase generic refers to a drug that is cheaper, less effective, and identical counterpart of a branded name pharmaceutical. Generic pharmaceuticals are, in fact, of the same quality and effectiveness as branded drugs or treatments. Other drug makers may manufacture the same drug after patent has expired and offer it under an international non-proprietary name, usually at lower prices. Generic manufacturers can sell their medicines at a lesser cost since they are not required to undergo the costly clinical trials of new drugs and do not have to invest for expensive advertising, marketing, and promotion. Furthermore, many generic businesses submit applications to that FDA to have a generic for the same brand approved. Indian law permits doctors to prescribe generic pharmaceuticals to patients and pharmacists to sell them since generics break the affordability barrier. Hope the information is useful to you. We will bring more such videos of pharmaceutical industry basics. Jix Chemical Limited is a market leader in chemicals and pharmaceutical industry with good contacts and relations maintained with customers and suppliers. Manufacturers, please contact us for your requirements of pharmaceutical API, intermediates, chemicals and solvents. Visit our website jixchemical.com. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.